I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb. I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb.
In this rap crowd bubble, every background trouble. Grew up in the rubble where a black cloud hovered. Moan from the hunger like a hole in my stomach, but running from the light like a roach in the cupboard. Grew up with some cousins treating life like it wasn't worth shit. If you was perfect for the plucking, and those motherfuckers know I don't owe them nothing, cause no such and such as can impose such a judgment on me. G.O.D. it fits when I'm sonnets. Paul, king of all the sun touches. My instruction kill y'all with ill bustin'. Remind you of a time when rap had real substance. That's why OGs trusted more than Snoop's weed budget. Or loose jeans fitted Tim's tag with the tongues. Put you in the fucking body bag, you still twitching. You playing living. Look, the kid is still frontin'.
I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb. I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb.
Muted your release, hyper-transmissible through the streets. You gon' have to roll your sleeve up, chief. Here's a mouthpiece, bite down on that with your teeth. After the jab, you could beat feet and jump in your cheek. There was an angel on our roof the night of a blue moon. We were sitting in our room with a Bible and no food. I told him you gotta step back, go away if you about to cry. I got to keep the powder dry. Rice and beans, crypto chicken with blockchain cheese. Octane stabilizers inside my gasoline. I dare not claim to be Dale Carnegie trained, but I will say nobody quite rhyme like Jermaine. Journey to the center, the blockchain of the Matrix 4, the Space Force. Sith Lord sipping raw, spitting shampoo. Round table discussions about Mithril ore. Yes, this is literal, of course.
I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb. I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb.
Yo, my lyrical mannerisms cause aneurysms. With every metaphor I command a rhythm. I spit right in the face of a calm man religion. Calm back to backwards philosophy, they expanded children. Niggas don't rap, they hustle drug addiction. Go through withdrawal to pedal their redemption. Some gumption for making a dumb assumption. To some of my dark side, my archive is not one to fuck. More Richmond, more Oakland, more token, more focus on encryption. My currency is provoking. The mind state of the vast public, don't snub it. My attitude is fuck it, cause ass kissers gon' judge it anyway. Way before y'all can even pen words, I wrestle with a vessel propelled by Charles Lindbergh. 10,000 leagues beneath the sea, just to bury the body of a pussy MC.
I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb. I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till my head go numb.
You're dealing with the hardest, I kill the illest artist. A couple of bars hit your carcass, you're chilling with the martyrs. I'm hitting different targets, slipping them in the darkness. Then if I get some charges, I'ma just hit the sergeant. I'm sick and heartless, back to the Garden of Eden. I'm smacking them heathens, I Adam and Eve 'em. I curse you for apples you eating. On my iPhone doing jobs like I'm trapping with Steve. Philosophical genius, imagine Pythagoras tweeting. I don't care if it's blue or red on your rag. I'd rather unload my Oreder on Confederate flags. Pump lead in your ass, leave you fried up, dead in your chair. Yeah, I'm in my Thomas Edison bag. You amateurs only got sips. I was moving keys of weed like I was pushing cannabis with a locksmith. Still got beef, handle it on some pop shit. No weapon form can harm the rapper that God sent.
I just wanna be alone, sometime I wanna go somewhere where I can roll and smoke till my head go numb. That'll hit a home run, matches with the bone up, passing it to no one. I smoke till